Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Apps Academy. Today in this video, we will be learning how to delete Reddit account. To delete the Reddit account, first of all, open the Reddit application on your mobile device, and from the home page after logging in, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. Now from the expanded menu, click on Settings at the bottom. After opening up the Settings menu, scroll all the way down and then tap on Delete Account. In the pop-up, click on Yes Delete. Remember that deleting a Reddit account is permanent. Your posts and comments will not be automatically deleted. If you want to remove your content, then you can delete your posts and comments manually first. After doing so, click on the Yes Delete button to confirm, and after you do that, you'll need to enter your username and password in the text boxes and tap Continue. Right after you do that, you will be able to delete your Reddit account permanently. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.